Clickbank is dead. And no, this is not clickbait. I honestly believe, from my own opinion, Clickbank is dying and eventually it will be dead permanently. We're going to be talking about that in this video. So make sure that you stay tuned. If you're looking forward to getting the insights and knowledge within this video, as well as other videos that I post that teach you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment, go ahead and click that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to tick the bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. Now, Clickbank was really the catalyst that started to help my subscriber base grow, help my channel grow. Some of my Clickbank videos out there have been the best videos on this channel that attracted the most amount of views. And while Clickbank may be good for beginners and it may be good to get your feet wet, overall, you shouldn't be putting your eggs or your income in the Clickbank basket. So let me go ahead and break down exactly why I think this. And I'm going to start by logging into my account, and we will pass the capture right here. So as you can see here, I'm on my dashboard and I haven't been promoting any Clickbank products. So I'm going to go to my reporting here and I'm going to go to my paychecks. And so far this year, I've done almost $17,000. Last year, I did about $68,000. But what I focus on promoting for the most part is new product launches, products that are being released on Clickbank that pay at least $500 all the way up to $2,000 commissions. Now, it's rare to find products that are high ticket on Clickbank to where you can actually get paid what you're truly worth. So let me illustrate this by jumping over here to the Clickbank marketplace. I went ahead and I selected e-business and e-marketing, and there's very few products that will pay you over $500 commissions. Now this one's actually pretty decent right here. This one pays $467.69, but you can see here $22, $165, another $22, another $40, so on and so forth. So very low ticket commissions. This one does pay $744, but that's most likely off of like a $2,000 sell or so. So it'll actually tell you right here, 50% commission. So this is actually probably right around $1,600 product price point in which you get 50% commissions. So that's not too bad. But the thing with Clickbank versus other independent affiliate marketing networks is the fact that these new networks will actually pay you 100% commissions. And not just networks, but specific programs within some of these networks. And there's even independent entrepreneurs out there creating their own systems, and they're paying you 100% commissions. And the reason why they're doing that is because they're giving you the opportunity to make 100% commissions in exchange for a buyer lead, which means all the leads, all the traffic that you send them through their sales funnel, although you get the affiliate commissions within the different income streams in that sales funnel, they get to keep all the leads. So due to creating 100% commissions, I'm actually going to sign in here to my Stripe account, and you guys are going to see the difference in income that I've created from independent products versus Clickbank products. So I've selected year to date right here. I'm going to go ahead and refresh. You guys obviously saw me log in here, but I want to show that this is legit and real. Almost $152,000 that I've done this year in profit from January 1st to April 18th, 2019. And this has all been processed through independent affiliate products. In other words, Clickbank can often take weeks to pay you out. From your first sell, it usually takes about a couple weeks for them to pay you out. And then what they'll also do is they'll hold back 10% of what you make. And I believe they pay that out after 3 months after the sell is made. So they're holding, a lot of your money, and you're having to wait, and you're not getting paid 100% commissions. And so this, causes a lot of anxiety for a lot of marketers that want constant cash flow to be able to be taking that money and investing it back into paid marketing. So whereas a merchant account, like having your own merchant account that's connected to that affiliate product, what happens is somebody buys that affiliate product, that money goes directly into your own merchant account instead of through Clickbank and then sent the next day to your bank account. And so this is another reason why you should be promoting, independent affiliate products versus Clickbank products. And to add to that, a lot of Clickbank products only have one product that they're selling. In other words, you go to a sales page, or the prospect goes to the sales page in this case, and they purchase whatever product you're recommending, and then they're not being exposed to any other products in the sales process. And so you don't have the chance to maximize your commissions on that one customer. So you could be making $500 on one customer instead of like a $30 commission. For example, going back to John Crestani's example, great product, pays, one of the higher ticket commissions on Clickbank, but after they purchase this product, the prospect, they aren't exposed to any other income streams that you can earn money off of to maximize that customer and earn more revenue, and as well help the customer further. So what I want to do is I want to talk about some of the independent affiliate programs that are out there that I've used and leveraged to make this type of income over the past year. And mind you, that's just from January to April 18th, $152,000 versus this year just on Clickbank, it's about $17,000. And that is literally the difference between promoting a Clickbank product and an independent affiliate product that pays 100% commissions with the same amount of traffic. So let me show you first of all, one of the products that I promoted this year that pays 100% commissions. It's known as Leaderboard Affiliate. I'm not going to go into detail about this because there's going to be a link in the description where you can learn a little bit more about it and get access to my bonuses. But essentially, they have products that range anywhere between $27 to $2,000. And it's all about helping affiliate marketers become top leaders and earn between 6 and even 8 figures. For example, my buddy Igor Kfeds, he earns at least 7 figures in income every single year. And so not only are people actually going to get value from this product line, but they can also earn, if they decide to relicense these programs, they can earn 100% commissions, right? So if they come in at the $27 level, they're going to be able to earn $27 commissions. They come in at the $2,000 level, they're going to be able to earn $2,000 commissions. And that's how I was able to earn over $2,000 just yesterday. No Clickbank product out there is going to allow you to do that. And then another income stream is Easy One Up. Easy One Up is a lot like Leaderboard Affiliate. It has a different product line. I will say the products aren't updated and as current as Leaderboard Affiliate. So if you're looking to really leverage a good quality product, I would pick Leaderboard Affiliate right now over Easy One Up until they upgrade their product line. But still, the great thing about Easy One Up, you can relicense the program and you can earn between $25 and up to $2,000 commissions. So for my team that comes into Easy One Up, although the product line isn't up to par with what I would want it to be, I offer bonuses of products that are up to par that will teach you the cutting edge strategies of really generating results online. So I have that added incentive when I promote Easy One Up to be able to help people actually make money with this specific product line as well. And then you have specific systems, right? So you have systems that sell programs. So a program like Easy One Up and like a Leaderboard Affiliate, it's like the vehicle. It's like the car. And a system is the fuel that drives that vehicle. In other words, it does all the selling and telling for you. Where if you signed up with Easy One Up or you signed up with Leaderboard Affiliate independently, you would have to go out there and do all the selling and telling. Now, what the Funnel Express system does is it does all the selling for you, so you don't have to do any of the selling. You just send people to the front end of the system, and the system will sell Leaderboard Affiliate for you. And there's another system known as FunnelX ROI, which does all the selling for you in Easy One Up. And then each of these systems have not just one income stream where they promote Easy One Up or Leaderboard Affiliate respectively, but they promote other products for you on your behalf. So again, instead of just selling one product and one program, it maximizes the customer and allows you to 5 and even 10x your results. So by using and leveraging these different systems, I've been able to add over an extra $30,000 to my income. So FunnelX ROI has 5 different income streams. Funnel Express has 6 different income streams. And let me show you some of the results of the different income streams. So one of them is Get Response, which is an autoresponder. And if I go over here to earnings and payouts, you can see that my pending earnings are $315. My last payout was just very recent, $525, just with a mundane autoresponder. Lifetime earnings over $10,000. And if you scroll down here, you can see that this is growing from February to March. And of course, we're still in the middle of April and I've already done $346.70. And this is due to having systems like FunnelX ROI and Funnel Express do all the selling and promoting for me. So I didn't have to go out there and promote Get Response directly or promote Easy One Up directly or Leaderboard Affiliate directly. I lead people to a systematic process, just like if they're driving up to a McDonald's where they buy the burger, they get upsold on the fries and the combo meal and then the dessert, right? It's the same thing with these specific systems. They will sell these specific programs like Leaderboard Affiliate, Easy One Up, Get Response, AWeber. You can see here, $301 are owed to me here. $293 was the last payout. The payout before was $143 and then $172. You could see this gradually growing because I've plugged into a system that's high converting that sells all these different products for me. And you've got another one called Now Lifestyle. My pending balance is $389.46. My total paid amount, $1,442.57. And then you've got ROI Panel, which is a tracking tool, over $20,000 in earnings here. Pending balance is just under $3,500. And then you've got Funnel X Advanced, which has paid me near $8,000. Pending balance is $2,000. So when you plug people into a high converting system, you don't need to worry about promoting low ticket Clickbank products. So if you were to take the same effort, the same traffic, whether it be from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, email marketing, solo ads, doesn't matter, and you change that traffic to a different system or even sometimes a different product that's going to pay you high commissions, you're going to make more money with the same amount of work. And so that's the breakthrough that I had back in 2014 when I finally quit my job. I was promoting Clickbank products and I was making tiny commissions. Now, of course, I didn't have the traffic that I have today that I can drive from YouTube. I didn't have the audience that I have today. And I was making, between $300 and $500 a month. Now that I have a big audience, I can make a lot of money from Clickbank. But still, I'm going to 10x my income if I'm promoting something else, like a FunnelX ROI, like a system, or like an individual program that's going to pay me 100% commissions, like Leaderboard Affiliate. So if you want access to my number one income system, if you want access to this Funnel Express system or even this FunnelX ROI system, they're both great. The only difference is FunnelX ROI promotes Easy One Up and Funnel Express promotes Leaderboard Affiliate, and then it has one extra income stream, which is a merchant processor, and that's known as Oru. So if I go to my Oru account right here and I log in, this is my actual back office. This is like Stripe. It's a merchant account, and people pay monthly for this specific merchant account. But the cool thing about it, even though you don't pay monthly with Stripe, there's no chargebacks. There's no refunds. There's not like the liability that you can deal with Stripe. So if you're getting so many refunds or so many chargebacks, Stripe can actually put your money on hold and they can even close your account. So with this new merchant processor, which I'm going to be, beginning to use here pretty quickly, you actually just pay a small monthly fee. I think it's like $4 a month or something like that. They'll process your transactions for you and you get to keep all the money. I don't even think that there's merchant fees. And you can actually see that my balance here is $84.90. So I've earned money by promoting this merchant account as well as actually be using this merchant account to run and process transactions. So one system, Funnel XROI, is going to have 5 income streams. This newer Funnel Express system is going to have 6 income streams. So I would say right now, Funnel Express is the better system. They've got better income streams and they do have better products, but you could feel free to pick the one that you think that you resonate with. And I will go ahead and leave a link in the description to both of these. I hope you got value from this video. Obviously, if you position yourself higher in each of these income streams, you're going to be able to maximize commissions. You're going to be able to see potentially the same results that I'm seeing right here with these 2,000, 1,000 consistent days that I'm having. So with that being said, appreciate you guys for watching this video. Go ahead and like this video if you got some value from it. Subscribe to the channel and tick that bell icon to be notified of all videos that I upload when I upload them. Just subscribing doesn't guarantee that you're going to see all my videos. If you want to check out one of these systems, go ahead, click the link below. This is not clickbait. You can see why Clickbank is dead to me and why I've moved on to other income streams. I will continue to upload Clickbank tutorial videos because you guys get lots of value from that. My audience loves it. But if you really want to make more and work less, getting access to a system is definitely worth it. Talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video.